Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about my program Breathe and Meditate. But before I begin, I would like to share a few things. In my experience of last 21 years, I met more than 10,000 people, and all these people, after meeting them, I've learned one important life skill, that is art of listening. Yes, that's right. Now, I've also learned that if there is an issue in a relationship, and if it is a long term issue, it affects their emotional health. Emotional health starts creating a physical ailment, and that physical ailment transfers into the body as a discomfort at ease called disease. Obviously, that disease hampers your productivity, your efficiency, and it directly or indirectly affects your finances. So, the key is effective emotional management. That's what I learned. Now, how can we consistently work on our emotional health? I always had this question and I came up with this solution: breathe and meditate. Now, this is a wonderful 21 days program, a perfect combination of science as well as spirituality. It helps you to get in touch with your real self, and that is where the real healing begins. And 21 days, anything you do becomes a habit. I know most of us have created so many not so good habits in our lives, isn't it? So, why don't we try a good habit and create one? It is very easy. Now, many people also ask me, okay, how does this breathe and meditate is going to affect or help them? I always tell them the 4A, the alphabet A, are very, very essential: awareness, acceptance, accountability, and action. Awareness, until and unless you know that you are here suffering from this particular issue, this problem, whether it is physical health, emotional health, until and unless you connect the dots, you will not be aware. Now, once the awareness has come, you need to accept. The biggest hurdle for acceptance is ego. Trust me. The ego will never allow you to accept anything. Once you overcome your ego, then comes accountability. Of course, it's you. You have to change your life. Nobody else is going to come from outside and help you out. And action. This action is where breathe and meditate comes into the picture. Consistently, if you work on something, you will definitely achieve it. Breathe and Meditate is a 21 days program. You can attend any one free session. You can get in touch with me, ask me. I will allow you for one session. If you like it, please go ahead. If you don't, I'm absolutely fine with it. But give it a try.